how to go full screen in Windows 11. So I'll show you two different ways on how you can make your laptop full screen. So the first method is if you're trying to full screen an application or a window like this, obviously you can go and click on the maximize button in the top right hand side, and as you can see it will fill out the screen like this. If it's not working, you can also press the F11 key on your keyboard, and this will also bring you over to full screen mode. Now just bear in mind that some applications may not allow you to go to full screen mode, so you can see that I have my notepad here and I can go and maximize the screen. But if I click on F11, it doesn't actually support the full screen mode, so you can still see the bar at the very top of this navigation. Now there is another way to make your laptop full screen as well. So if you just go and open up your start menu, you can then click on settings. From the left hand side, select system, and then you can go and click on display. You can then scroll down to scale, and if your laptop's not filling the entire screen, you can go and increase the scale of your resolution. So you can just click on the drop down arrow and go and set this to a higher number, and this will zoom in to your laptop screen.